Oh yeah, that's what happened. What's going on, everybody? I know who it is. You know, we back at it like an addict, about to go pick up some cars here at the auction, man. Got my little bro with me. Got 2 cars that I gotta pick up. How you doing?
Good. How y'all doing today?
Good.
That's good.
Where was you at yesterday?
I'm on the gate over there.
Oh, you on the gate over there?
Yeah, I'm over there on the gate on Wednesday.
Oh, that's why I didn't see you.
Yeah.
You know, I was walking back. I was like, where Miss?
You tell your pops I'm finna be cutting my days down there.
Okay, I'm gonna tell him.
Yeah.
I got.
I'm finna go show during my Social Security disability.
You about to start working less. I understand. Enjoy it. You know.
You know what? There's a lot of service. I've been working ever since I was a fucking kid.
Yeah, you just definitely deserve it.
Hey, look, I want all my money.
All right, let's go pick up these cars. Yep, new Ford Fusion on the flat and a little in the door. What you said you gonna upgrade to one of these Impalas, one of these body steps, or you can get you a Jeep.
No. Everybody loves Jeep.
Everybody loves Jeep. You can get you a two-door.
I don't want a two. I want photos.
Oh yeah. Where are we gonna pick up first? He's moving stuff. Where's my Pontiac at? Alright, well we can go to my loud Buick first. I like my Pontiac right there. Got a little dirty, got a little dent in the door. See, I thought about maybe going to find another, but you probably won't find another color like that though. Have to take that off the back. But the body's in pretty good shape, tires in good shape. I mean, the paint job is like faded though, but interior. Guess we'll take the Buick first, because I don't feel like moving all these other cars. Oh, so let me get through here. Might as well check the fluids. Yeah, just move that one so next time when we come back. Alright, let's pop it. Check some oil. Okay, got some good oil in there. Got some decent oil. I hate that they put the thing right there on these Chevys. Start this loud baby up. Y'all hear that? Sound like a monster truck, don't you? That ain't nothing that we can't fix. Sound like a motorcycle. Oh yeah, it sound like a motorcycle. All right though. Here, I'll let you get the keys to the Kia. Interior ain't too bad. Thing is loud. Turn this down. But y'all see it, we rolling. You know, 166,000 miles, 2006 Buick Rendezvous. But we rolling, you know. So now you're at this point in the video that I'm glad that you watching this video, and I hope that you already dropped a like on this video. And now that you're at this point in the video, you have the chance to win $25. 2 people have the chance to win $25. So y'all seen the Pontiac. It's a 2008 Pontiac. This is a 2006 Buick. So it's $25 if y'all can guess the amount I paid for it. You know, if you can guess the amount that I paid for the Pontiac, you'll win $25. And if you can guess the amount that I paid for this Buick, you'll win $25. And you know, and like we always gonna do, is the first person that picks it wins. And if nobody wins it, just comment your guess. You know, if nobody guesses it correctly, I'll just get on a random comment picker, and then I'll just pick at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, I would just pick a random comment. Like if nobody ain't guessed it by the end of the day, so I'll drop this video, and if nobody hasn't guessed it in the 24 hours, then I'll just choose a random comment in that 25 hours, that 24 hours, and then somebody random will win it $25. But yeah, let's get this car to the shop, and then after that, you know, I'll get to getting it worked on and stuff like that. I'll take it to the exhaust shop. But let's go. You know, it's going and shifting all its gears. Come on, go ahead. Come on, get it. I'll let you go first. Let's get it up to speed and see what you do. Okay. Right there. Got up to 60. No problem. No problem. No problem. Let's get it. Let's go. Hyundai sound a little rough. Good Lord, sound like it's about to die. Sound like it's about to lay down. You might as well just put it in gear and just let it go right there before it lay down. Well, they be blaming you because it laid down. Oh man. Yeah, you might as well turn that lemon off. Pop the hood. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Dang, somebody was shorting this thing. Well, let's see. Get this driver's seat work. Pop the hood and check some fluids. See what's in here. Has that good old 3800 series motor. Somebody messed up the oil dipstick, but it has oil, so I'm gonna have to get a new oil dip. Yeah, that's transmission. They keeping all their fluids under there. Let's see, we got any coolant. Good old coolant. Good amount of coolant. So I know I need to change the oil. Need to put a new dipstick in there. They was changing their own fluid, so you know they kept their own funnel. Start it up. Let's see what. Sound like a 3800 series. This needs to be cleaned up. They put a new overflow on there. So let's get up out of here. Got a half a tank of gas, no service lights. Good steering, half a tank of gas is what we like to hear. That's what we like to see. I see it. Shifting like it's supposed to. Good. So you see, running, shifting like it's supposed to. So far, so good. He's working. Check the AC. The AC is working. Interior is a little dirty, but it's a black interior, so it's not that bad. You could use a good vacuum. They had either some extra speaker wires or something. So, well, they replaced the door handles, so got all new door handles. Radio works, got an aux, got AC. 2008, this gonna make somebody a good car. Go make sure, you know, do an oil change and stuff on it. You know, oil change, clean it up. Don't know if I'm gonna wanna fix the doors or not like that, or probably not, I don't know. Cause the way the door look like is, if y'all see it, I'll show y'all when we get back to the lot, like how the door was that kind of damage, and I don't know if it'll be more cost efficient to fix it or not. I don't know. I have to see. I might just post it and see if it sells. If not, then you know I might take it down and fix the door and stuff like that. But I don't know. It just depends, because I know when damaging the door, that stuff be costing like a lot to fix, because you know they gotta go under the door and all that. So, but so far so good. Running good, driving good. Hands is at the right temperature, operating, have to take a gas, everything rolling. But let's get to it. So, in the words of my daddy, both of these cars made it back. In the words of what he would say, they run. So they both run pretty good. They both got good sets of tires. But I'm gonna show y'all this Pontiac right quick. So y'all see like the Pontiac, I'm not too worried about this scrape right there, as in like this dent in the door, like, cause they're like they'll probably say I need a new door, and see, cause it's like this little pillar looks like this is messed up too. But y'all see, got some good rub on it. So I don't know. I have to take it to my body man. I'll just run by there one of them days and see like how much he'll charge, and see if he can just like maybe like take the panel off and like knock this out and just like repaint that or something. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Do y'all think they can be fixed? You know, I'm pretty sure it can be fixed. If you can take the panel off and then just like knock it out and straighten it with a hammer. I mean, a mallet, like a rubber mallet or something, and then maybe like paint it, touch it up. So I'll have to just take it to him. Maybe. I don't think it should be that hard of a fix. It's do have some paint, like some faded paint spots. Maybe I can have him touch it up, like, you know, how much he'll charge just like to touch up the paint. But other than that, it ran and drove good. I'll get the oil changed on it and stuff. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. You know, we're gonna keep dropping videos, keep trying to drop you as much information as possible. And the best advice I can always give you when buying cars from the auction, make sure, y'all see, fire right up, purr like a kid. But the best advice I can always give you is, man, be nice to all the people that works there, man. They will help you. They'll be the ones help you to buy a good car more than anything. You know, they'll be the ones that help you. Like, they'll help you really. Like, that's all you talk to the people that work there. They'll let you know the good, the bad, you know, everything. Cause they're the ones picking up the car. They're the ones dealing with these cars all the time. So, you know, they'll definitely let you know. But once again, appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. I'll see y'all in the next video. In the next. Peace.